Hi, I'm KRISHI. This is my second database lab experiment. Here's the question is to create a table called customer order line product suppliers and attributes given. The question is customer ID, customer name, customer address and so on for every table. Next is to create next is to insert the contents into the table. These are the contents which we have to insert into the table. Let's see the code to insert it. Create table customer is to create a table and the attributes which we want here, and if it's a number we will use number, and if it's a character we will choose varchar. Using this we create all the tables customer, order one, order line, product, suppliers. Next we have to insert the contents into the table. To do that we must use the code insert into customer, the table name and the values keyword. Inside the bracket we must give the attributes, an ampersand keyword and an ampersand is suffix to the attribute, so that we can give enter the values for the table. This is how we enter the values for each table, enter the contents for each table. These are all the contents entered into the different tables. Now, after inserting the contents, we'll go to the next part of the question. Next is to insert the this record into the order table. So for that, this is the code for that. Insert into the table which we want to insert, and the values and the content which we want to insert is given, is coded here. The next question is to delete the record from the order where order ID is 108. Okay, for that, this is the code delete from which table, the order 1 where order ID is 100. Next is display the details of product whose price is 100. Okay, for this, select star. Star is displays all the details in that table from order line, from order line table where price is greater than 100. Next question is sort and display the details of supplier whose rating is above 4. For that, the code is select star from suppliers where rating is above 4, and to sort that we must use order by keyword. Next question is sort the table order line in descending order to the order price. For this we use select star from order line order by price. If it's given only order by it is ordered in an ascending order. We want to order in descending order, we must use D as a keyword. Next question is show the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. For that, this is the code for that. Select star or what all the names or what all the attributes we want to display, we can write it. And if we want to combine two tables, uh, we must equalize the common attributes in that table and write the conditions for it. Now the condition is product description is a product description table lamp. So now the details of the table lamp is being displayed here. Next is how many customers have a name that ends with the letter A. This is the code for that. Select count customer name from customer where customer name is equal to A. Percentage A is used where after, if you write any letter after percentage, it is ending letter. Next question is list the customer who have letter Y in their name. For that is select customer name from customer where customer name is percentage Y percentage. Next question is to show the customer whose name starts with letter J. This is the code for that. Select customer name from customer where customer name is equal to Y percentage. Next is list the name of the customer whose order quantity is between 10 to 50. For that, this is the code for that. Select whatever the contents or attributes we want, and the quantity is greater than 100 and 15. This is the code for that. Now increase the quantity of the suppliers by 2% for whoever rating is greater than 4. Okay, now this is the code for that. Yeah, we have already created a table whose rating is greater than 4. In that you must just update it using update supplier set quantities equal to quantity. For 2% it's star 1.02. That is done here. The next question is to display the names of the customer in alphabetical order. This is the normal thing. Order by customer. Select customer name from customer. Order by customer name. Okay. Next is to find the number of order placed on the date given. For that, this is the code. Select some ordered quantity from order line, where order ID is equal to order ID and the date. This is the requirement. Order one dot order date is equal to the given. We must find the given date. Next is to show the order detail customer details for the product ID 100. Okay, what all the tables we have displayed is given inside a select, and the main thing is product ID keyword. Product ID is matched, attribute is matched, and p product ID is equal to 100. The product is 1000 displays all the details which we require, all the details which we require for the product ID 100. Thank you.